Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. We are in unit 1, that is networks and communication. In the last lesson we discussed the classification of network on the basis of its geographical area that it covers. In today's lesson we will discuss the communication devices. That there are different devices which are used to establish network. A communication device is a physical part or hardware that enables one computer to communicate with another. Without a communication device, network cannot be formed. Modem is a communication device which is normally used for internet communication. Other communication devices are network interface card, router, hub, switch, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Here in this picture we can see different network devices or communication devices. If we see this device, it's a switch which is mainly used to establish a local area network, a wired local area network. And this one is a Wi-Fi router which is used to establish a wireless local area network, which is in short we call it WLAN, wireless local area network. So it's a wireless router which provides signals to the wireless devices to connect with the network. This one is the internal modem which is enclosed inside the system unit. Along with the internal modem we use external modems also, and they are also used for connecting with the network or internet. Bluetooth is also a communication device which is used for connecting different devices with each other, communication devices with each other, whether they are mobile or laptops or computers. Further, network interface card, this is also an expansion card which is installed in our computers to provide connectivity with the network. NIC stands for network interface card. Dial-up modem. Dial-up connection is the slowest but inexpensive way to connect to the network. Dial-up modem is normally used to establish connection via telephone lines. It sends and receives data from one computer to another. The sending and receiving computers must have modems. Modem is a combination of two words, or in other words we can say that modem is the device which performs two operations, that is modulation and demodulation. So this is the combination of two words, modulation and demodulation. Or modem consists of two devices actually. One is modulator and the other one is demodulator. Modulation is the process of converting digital signals into analog signals, and demodulation is the opposite of this, which means that it is the process of converting analog signals into digital. This is required for our communication, especially through computers or digital computers, because while using the telephone lines for communication, we know that telephone lines carry analog signals, but at the ends we are using computers for communication. So computers are able to manipulate the digital signals. They can only process the digital form of data. So for that purpose, to convert that analog signal which is carried by the telephone lines into digital signals, we use modem. And when we want to send some data or information from computer over the telephone lines to another computer, so in that case that digital signal which the computer wants to send, or that digital data which we want to send to the other computer, that must be converted to the analog signal first, and then it will be able to be carried by the telephone lines. So for that purpose we use the device modem. So it performs both the functions, whether when we are sending some digital signal or data, then at that time it converts that digital signal into analog. That is called modulation. It means that while sending from computer to another computer over the telephone line, the modem performs modulation. While receiving some data from the telephone line or from any other device through telephone line, so at that time that data passes from the modem then to the computer, and the modem converts that analog signal into digital signal for easy processing by the computer. So that is the function of modem, which is an essential device for communicating over the telephone lines. It performs modulation and demodulation. Both of the functions are performed by a single device, that is called modem. Nowadays different types of modems are available in market. These are internal modem, external modem and wireless modem. Types of modem. Internal modem. It is a card that plugs into an expansion slot in the motherboard. This is the picture of the internal modem that is installed in our computer and connected with the motherboard inside the system unit. Further, we also use external modems. It is a handy device that can easily be attached to computer externally. It is more expensive than the internal modem. Then we also have wireless modems, which provides wireless connectivity to the computers or laptops or mobile phones. So it is used with computer without a wire. It is mostly used for internet. So these are different types of modems that are used normally. Network interface card. This is also a communication device or a network device. It is also called a LAN adapter. LAN stands for local area network, as you already know. So it is also called LAN adapter. It is also called network card or simply NIC in short. NIC stands for network interface card. It is used to connect the computer with network. It converts, sends, receives and controls data on the network. Different network cards are available for different types of computers. Each card has a unique number which is used for addressing. It is called the MAC address. MAC stands for Media Access Control Address or Physical Address. Throughout the world, each and every network interface card has got a unique address, and that address is called MAC address. MAC stands for Media Access Control Address, or it is also called physical address. Network cards for wireless data transmission are also available. So it's a type of wireless network interface card which is also available in the market and is used. Okay students, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.